Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Delpstack and I'm going to show you how to fix constant network error. Download Google Chrome. So the first practical solution that you could try is you could just simply download your file through Incognito tab. So to do that, select the three dots on the top right corner and you will have an option over here, new Incognito window, or you could do the shortcut which is Control Shift N. So from here, you could try to download. Now, if it still doesn't work, it means that you have unstable internet connection. So what you could try to do is restart your router and this can fix the issue. If it still doesn't end, you could just simply go ahead and restart your connection into your computer by going to the network over here, right click on it, go for the network and internet settings. Now over here, go for the advanced network settings. Now over here, you will have an option disable and just simply enable it back again. So this simple thing can reset your network and mostly this can fix your issue. And now if it still doesn't work, just try to restart your computer and from here you should be able to fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.